Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Apple didn't really mention AI at WWDC. WTF? Well, BTW, that doesn't mean that they're not interested in the advancements of artificial intelligence, although I would argue, and it has been posited, that what we call AI is really more general pattern recognition. That's fine. These have been transformative services, and we all know Google is all in on AI. And I'm more than confident that Samsung and the rest of the non-Apple companies out there in the mobile space will be all in on AI. Clear differentiators, very, very powerful in terms of what it can do to transform your experience with these mobile experiences, these devices. So I'm not nervous about them not mentioning AI, but it just makes Siri seem to be, well, Siri. That's not a compliment, by the way. Siri's not been doing great. I mean, they're certainly making adjustments with Siri to try to make it better, but in my estimation, if they don't really double down on machine learning, like really go deep with software in a way that they have not done before, they are going to be further outclassed. Now, I have argued that the general experience on a Samsung device, minus the bloat, is far and away demonstrably better than the experience you might receive on iOS. Not just the snappiness, not just the fluidity, not just the lack of general jank on the Samsung device, and to a certain degree, a Google Pixel as well. But this is just going to be, I feel, a huge rift between the two. Let's set aside the buzzword for a second, because they didn't even talk about the metaverse. Thank God. That was a trend that I'm glad we're over, at least for the time being. And, you know, what happened to NFTs and crypto? Yikes. So, Apple, are they in on AI or are they not? Where are they going?